Hello, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will learn about what the fluency is and how we can achieve it. So let's start. So first thing is, what is fluency in English? So fluency means speaking English smoothly, naturally, and without stopping to think too much. A fluent person can be speak like clearly and confidently, and he or she can use common words and grammar correctly, understood others quickly in conversation, respond naturally without long pauses or translation in mind. So, fluency is not about using difficult words, it's about communication, expressing your thoughts clearly, and understanding others. So, here we look difference between fluency and accuracy. What the fluency? How fast and smoothly you speak, and the accuracy is how accurate or correct your grammar and vocabulary are. So you need both, but fluency comes with practice. Practice is very important. So not just study. Fluency comes with practice, not just with study. So how we can achieve the fluency in our English speaking skills? So here are some tips. Number 1 is build daily English habits. Language is a habit, not a subject. Listen daily, speak daily, read daily, or write daily. These are the habits which will help you to improve your English and your fluency also. So how you can listen? You can listen from English YouTube, podcast, stories, and there are many stories available on the YouTube. Speak daily. If you are alone, shadowing or talking to yourself. Read daily. Short stories, news or subtitles or newspapers, whatever you can just read. Write daily. Journals, comments or dialogues, or even you can write about your day, okay, in your diary. So number 2 is use the shadowing technique. Shadowing. What is shadowing? Listen to a sentence and repeat it immediately after the speaker, copying tone, speed, and pronunciation. So shadowing helps to improve the pronunciation, listening, and speaking needs also, speaking speeds also. Okay. So number 3 tip about how we can achieve the fluency. So think in English. It's very important also. So don't translate from Urdu to English or Hindi to English in your head. Start with small thoughts like I am feeling hungry, or I will go to school now. It's a sunny day. Make this a habit throughout the day. Learn. Okay, let's move to the number 4 tip. Learn phrases, not just words. Fluency comes from knowing chunks of language. Instead of learning, go to school. Go to school. Instead of learning, go to school. Learn. I have to go to school. I have to go to school. I don't feel like going today. I don't feel like going today. I will be late if I don't leave now. I will be late if I don't leave now. Number 5 tip is record yourself. Speak on a topic like my day and record it. Then listen again and correct your mistakes and try to again to make it better. This help you improve your confidence, pronunciation, and sentence flow. So number 6 tip is have real conversation. Practice with people, even simple English. If you don't have partners, join language exchange apps. There are many apps are available like HelloTalk or Tandem. Speak with AI or teachers. Talk to yourself, like just say yes, it's okay. So fluency takes time, effort, but you can achieve it. You will achieve it. Believe on yourself. It's okay to make mistakes. Keep going. Don't stop after a few days. Think of fluency like growing a plant. Think of fluency like growing a plant. Water it, practice every day, and it will grow. If you like, I can also make a 7-day fluency challenge plan for you. Just say yes.